हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू लेट्स लर्न टुगेदर। आज हम कोर्सिया के कोर्स एथिक्स टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इंजीनियरिंग की नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस क्विज करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका टॉपिक है चैलेंजर। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, both the NASA project team and the management at Morton Thiokol had the possibility of preventing the Challenger space shuttle disaster by cancelling the launch of the spacecraft. Which criteria of passive responsibility does this fact concern? इसका आंसर होगा फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। In the Challenger case, engineer Roger Boyce Jolly could have expected the Challenger disaster because he was aware of the risk of erosion when the O-rings are exposed to low temperature, a factor which thus meant that safe launching could not be guaranteed under such conditions. Which criteria of passive responsibilities does this फैक्ट कंसर्न? इसका आंसर होगा फोर्सिबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट है, इन द केस ऑफ द चैलेंजर द प्रिकॉशनरी प्रिंसिपल वुड शिफ्ट द बर्डन ऑफ प्रूफ। इसका आंसर होगा सो दैट एन इंटेंडेड फ्लाइट हैज़ टू बी प्रूवन टू बी सेफ। नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं। Was Roger Boyce Jolly morally required to blow the whistle according to the guidelines of D. George? इसका आंसर होगा yes. Boyce Jolly met all of the guidelines for whistle blowing. नेक्स्ट पे आते हैं। नेक्स्ट है, suppose that one thinks that Roger Boyce Jolly was morally required to blow the whistle. Which condition of blameworthiness with regard to Boyce Jolly is being referred to? इसका आंसर होगा wrong doing. Next day, during the telephonic conference on the eve of the launching between NASA and Norton Thiokol representatives, the entire Thiokol group recommended no launch, as they recommended a minimum launch temperature of 52 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 11 degrees Celsius. The expected rubber stamping of that recommendation was expected from NASA on the other end of the telephonic conference. However, they would be wrong proven. I thought it was a very poor briefing, said NASA senior manager Judge Lovingood. To make such a huge statement on flight safety, it was an extremely poor briefing. You don't do data by emotion. You can't go up there and say, hey, I have got a gut feeling this thing is going to blow up. They had take up to the funny farm. Suppose that NASA had implemented the precautionary principle. Which of the critics of the precautionary principle is referred by the Judge Lovingood? इसका आंसर होगा the precautionary principle calls for an inaction in the face of scientific uncertainty, which it often does not specify the minimum threshold of plausibility of risk that act as a triggering condition, so that any indication that a proposed product or activity might harm health or the environment is sufficient to invoke the principle. तो इस क्विज में 6 ही क्वेश्चंस थे। अब हमको इसको सबमिट करते हैं, तो सबमिट कर देते हैं। सबमिट हो गया। देखिए हमारे सारे आंसर्स ठीक है और हमारा 100% ग्रेड आ गया है। तो ये थी प्रैक्टिस क्विज जिसका टॉपिक था चैलेंजर, उसके आंसर्स। इस कोर्स के और क्विज़ों के आंसर्स के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। एंड अगर आपको किसी और कोर्स की क्विज़ के आंसर्स चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट एंड लेट मी नो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल।